Hello, I'm Edwin Stokes. I'm a material scientist at Stage 1. GRP is a very versatile material and very useful for us because it enables us to mould shapes with complex forms, complex curvature, and achieve high strength and high stiffness. So it's ideal for many of our projects. A project that stands out for me that involved the use of GRP is a relatively old one. It's the Chanel Pavilion that we built with Zaha Hadid Architects. So it was a sort of landmark project for the company, expanding our capability with GRP and into the architectural market sector. Every panel on the project was unique. There were over 400 panels, create a mould of any shape, and it goes hand in hand with our 5-axis CNC capabilities here. So we produce our own tooling, either using foams or tooling block, and we can make multiple panels for projects or one-offs. At Stage 1 we can achieve a variety of finishes, from high-end automotive through to more scenic finishes, and they can be applied to GRP but also to other materials and forms of construction that we can make here.
We work on different materials: wood, steel, aluminium. There's different primers to be applied to each different material. Your preparation is the key. It's more or less 90% of the job in HQ department. If that's not right, then the paintwork won't be right. To get it nice and flat and a smooth finish, we'll have to flat that down with a fine grade sandpaper and water until it's all nice and flat, and then we'll have to buff it back up, which buffing is a skill in itself to be done correct and not burn through.
What do you enjoy most about working in this department?
The job satisfaction when it's done, when you see it on the internet and it's done, or even when you go to site yourself, because when you're just painting things and you don't know where they're going, eventually when you get on site and you sit, you think, oh yeah, that's what that's for.